Hello, dear students, you are welcome in RK Institute and I am Dr. RK Saini. Today, I am going to discuss IUPAC name of enions. First of all, we introduce enions. Enions are those hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond as well as carbon-carbon triple bond in their structure. And we use following rules for their naming. First of all, we select longest chain in which carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond must be present. Carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond must be present in their parent chain. For example, this hydrocarbon is known as enions and only 5 carbons present in their parent chain, in which double bond as well as triple bond must be there in parent chain. Rule second, give minimum position to the unsaturation. Unsaturation may be double bond or may be triple bond. If both bonds occupy identical position, then we give priority to double bond. For example, we start numbering from this end 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In case of this compound, we give minimum position to the multiple bond. In this compound, we start numbering from this end because double bond occupy position first and in this end the triple bond occupy position second, and hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In this case, we start numbering from this end because triple bond occupy position first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in this case, we write position, minimum position to the double bond because ene come first in alphabetical order than ine. And hence, if double bond and triple bond occupy identical position, then we give minimum position to double bond. The order of naming. Like as other hydrocarbons or other compound, we write name of substituent first. Alphabetically. Then write root word. Root word means number of carbon atom. In principal chain. For example, 2 eth, 4 but, etc. And then we indicate position of ene and their suffix is ene. And finally, we write position of ion. For example, IUPAC of this compound. First, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no substituent, and hence write root word pent. Write position of ene is first ene and position of ion is 3. Therefore, its IUPAC name is pent first ene 3 ion. Similarly, another example. We are taking another example. We select longest chain which contain carbon-carbon double bond as well as carbon-carbon triple bond and give minimum position to the multiple bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First we write name of substituent alphabetically and hence 2-ethyl and hence 2-ethyl, 6-methyl, root word 7 means hept, and write position of double bond first in, and position of triple bond is 3 ion. Therefore these are the name of anions. Now we discuss IUPAC name of those compound in which functional groups are acts as a substituent. Following functional groups, namely ether functional group O, namely halogen functional group X means chlorobromo etc., namely nitro, NO2, nitroso, NO, and isocyanide. Their functional group is NC. These functional groups are treated as a substituent and their name is alkoxy. In case of halogen, their name is halo. In case of nitro, their name is nitro in nitroso. And in case of isocyanide, their prefix is carbylamine. These functional groups act as a substituent, and hence we select longest chain with maximum substitution, give minimum position to the substituent which come first in alphabetical order. In case of unsaturation, we select longest chain which contain multiple bond and give minimum position to the multiple bond. And the order of naming is similar like as other compound. We write name of substituent alphabetically, then write root word, and then use suffix of principal functional group. And these suffixes are acts as a substituent. For example, IUPAC name of following compound. We select principal chain carry 2 carbon atom, and as it is eth, and this is known as alk. Use oxy, and as ethoxy, methoxy. Therefore its IUPAC name is methoxyethane. Similarly, this compound is also ether, and their IUPAC name is first ethoxy propane, because the position of ethoxy in propane may be 2, and as we indicate their position. First of all, we select principal chain and then write of name of substituent ethoxy, alkoxy, alketh plus oxy, and as ethoxy at present first, therefore it is first ethoxy propane. Similarly, in this compound we write name of substituent first, then write principal word. Therefore this compound can carry 1,2-dichlorobutane, and as its IUPAC name is 1,2-dichlorobutane. Taking another example, for example, in case of isocyanide, CH3NC, we select principal chain contain carbon 1, and as it is known as methane carbylamino. Its prefix is carbylamino. Therefore its name is carbylamino-methane. Similarly, we select longest chain and give minimum position to the substituent and write name of substituent first. Therefore 2-carbylamino-propane. Its IUPAC name. Similarly, we use unsaturation. For example, write IUPAC name of this compound. First, we select longest chain in which unsaturation may be double or triple. Bonded carbon must be included and give minimum priority, minimum number to the double bond or triple bond. And as number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, its name is 4-chloro but first ene, or we can say 4-chloro first butane. Similarly, in case of nitro compound, we write minimum position to the double bond, and as it is known as 3-nitro, carbon 4 is but first ene, and as its overall name is 3-nitro but first ene or first butane. In case of cyclic ether, we use epoxy as their prefix. In case of cyclic ether, we use epoxy. For example, carbon-carbon double bond is replaced by O, then such type compound are known as cyclic ether, and their prefix is epoxy, and hence it is known as epoxy ethane. Its IUPAC name, epoxy ethane. Similarly, in this compound, we write numbering from this end, and as its name is 1,2-epoxy propane. 1,2-epoxy propane. Its IUPAC name. Similarly, IUPAC name of this compound is 2,3-epoxy butane. Now we taking example which contain more than one functional group as well as unsaturation. For example, first of all, we select principal chain with maximum unsaturation, and hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons are there, and then give minimum position to the multiple bond, where if we start numbering from this end 1, 2, 3, therefore double bond carry third position. From this end 1, 2, 3 also, and next functional group, the substituent occupies second position, and in this case the substituent occupied fourth position. Therefore, we start numbering from this end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we write name of substituent alphabetically. First, bromo, carbyl, amino, and nitro. Therefore, its IUPAC name is 2-bromo. 7 carbyl amino, 5 nitro, and root word is 10. Dec, more than one time are double bond, therefore we use deca, and their position are 3, 5, and 7. Deca 3, 5, 7 tri-ene. It is the IUPAC name of given structure. That is all for today, and we will continue in another classes. Thank you.